If you're looking to get more traffic and engagement to your business, social media marketing is a cost-effective form of advertising that can do just that. We are a results-focused digital marketing agency that utilizes the power of social media marketing to generate immediate results. Our experienced team of social media specialists can help you optimize your social media account profiles, target your exact demographic, grow your followers, build strong connections through engagement with your audience, and increase website traffic using social media campaigns. Also, our social media experts here at Optimized Webmedia specializes in Facebook and Instagram advertising. Facebook is one of the most efficient ways to advertise online. With Facebook marketing, we can help your business connect with all the right people on any device. Here's how our process works. We'll assign you an experienced social media manager who will help you develop a targeted advertising strategy. Next, we'll create and monitor your ad campaigns. Your ad specialist will then prepare monthly reports for you so you can keep an eye on how your paid search ads are performing. And as a part of our social media marketing management services, we can help build your social media content calendar and create innovative and engaging content, graphics, photos, and videos that speaks with a consistent brand voice and persona across all platforms. We can also develop and maintain your social media posting schedules and digital library. Our social media experts specialize in all social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google+, Instagram, Tumblr, Vimeo, and YouTube. Ready to get started? Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you.